Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2008 Honda CB1000R. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Honda. Does come with a spare key in the pack. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike for you, get a good close look at the condition of it. It is in a metallic white. It does have ABS on it. There is also a solo seat in the pack as well. So at the back there it's got white, so you can take that seat off, and then it's got the plastic cover that'll go over the back. That's also in the book pack. Let's get a look all the way around this. A good look at the tank and the plastics. It's had lots of the little blue bolts fitted on these, so they've had a lot of the bolts swapped out for blue ones. Good look close like down at this. Look at the chain and sprocket as well, and the back wheel. Let's also get a look at the plastics on the side. We'll get a look over the top as well, the seat, and over the top of the tank. Let's move around to the back, where you see it's got a JTEC tail tidy on it with the LED indicator lights on it. Let's move around to the right hand side. It's got the IXIL custom silencer on it, the tailpipe. Looking at the rear shock there. Let's do the same on this side now. We'll get a look down the side of the plastics, and the side of the seat, and the side of the tank. Just move these bars round. Get a better look at the tank. As you can see, more of the blue bolts have been fitted on this side. Let's get a good look low down. We'll finish up at the right hand front. Get a good look around the wheel on this side and the mudguard. So what we'll do now, go and take a look up the controls, and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, so it's a standard layout on this. Front brake, kill switch, starter and your throttle. And over to the other side, your clutch, lights, hazards, indicators and horn. So we'll pop the ignition on, let's get the exact mileage off it. As you can see, it's done 13,478 on the clock. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.